there's one food item you cannot have your snack or breakfast without, it would be tomato ketchups. While tomatoes themselves are a rich source of immune nutrients and antioxidants and offer a host of other benefits, have you ever wondered whether the tomato ketchup you are eating is really healthy? In this video, we will rank tomato ketchups in the Indian market from worst to best from a healthy perspective and also give you an easy recipe to cook healthy tomato ketchup at home. Welcome to Target 100 Years, where we bring to you research-based and expert-backed health contents. For this video, we would like to thank Mrs. Brinda, who is a certified nutritionist, to help with the research. So without any further delay, let's get started. In our search of the best tomato ketchup in India, we reviewed 8 products in the Indian market. After doing a detailed analysis of their ingredients and nutritional value, we were quite shocked to see how many brands are simply fooling the customers by using ingredients which have possibly been associated with having cancer-causing properties and may have harmful effects in the long run. Before moving further, we would like to disclose that this video is not sponsored by any brand. What we say here is our opinion based on factual data. The ketchups in India can be divided into 3 categories on the basis of ingredients, chemicals, amount of tomatoes, and if the products use organic tomatoes. The first category of tomato ketchups are probably the unhealthiest, as they use chemicals such as stabilizer, preservatives, and acidity regulators. These products also contain sugar and salt. The tomatoes used to make these ketchups are not organic, as the brand does not mention that. Popular brands like Kissan, Patanjali, and Wingreen feature in this list, as is clear from the ingredient list. There might be other brands in this category. We are only talking about the ones we have reviewed. All these brands have acidity regulator 260, stabilizer 1422, 415, and preservative 211 in them. Research papers have claimed preservative 211, also called as sodium benzoate, in combination with vitamin C, can be a carcinogenic or cancer-causing. In fact, the Cancer Association of South Africa, also known as CANSA, in its report clearly says, because of the many varied side effects of sodium benzoate, children should be minimally exposed to it. In addition, the report also states over 20 side effects of sodium benzoate, some of them being abdominal or stomach pain or cramps, blurred vision, decreased urine output, dry mouth, among others. You will get the link of all these research papers for your reference in the description of this video. The WHO technical report on food additives states that stabilizer 1422 and 415 to be used in moderation for infants. The ketchup in this category use less than 30% tomato and sugar and salt for taste. Patanjali is an exception, which has 35% of tomato paste in the bottle. More than 20% of this ketchup bottle is actually sugar. As you can see, 15 grams of this sauce contains 4 to 5 grams of sugar in it. So, 100 grams of this sauce would have 30 to 35 grams of tomato, 20 to 30 grams sugar, and rest water, chemical, salt, spices, condiments, etc. Even 1 spoon of ketchup fulfills 4 to 5% of your daily sugar requirement. It is no surprise that doctors often recommend diabetics to stay away from ketchups. These brands also have not clearly called out that the tomatoes used are organic or not. As per our verdict, you might want to give these ketchups a skip. The next category of the tomato ketchups are those which do not use the chemicals but are still high in sugar. Brands like Heinz, Orchard, and Refresh feature in this category. No chemical preservatives or stabilizers are used in these ketchups, which makes them better from the products in the first category. However, the sugar is still used, although the amount is a little lower compared to brands in the previous category. That is, amount of sugar used is between 1.2 to 3.3 grams per 15 grams, even though the percentage of tomato use is still less than 30%. So, 100 gram of this sauce would have 30 to 35 grams of tomato, 20 to 30 grams of sugar, and rest water, salt, spices, condiments, etc. In addition, these tomatoes are still not organic. Ketchups in the last category do not use artificial preservatives or stabilizers. Use jaggery in place of sugar and have the highest amount of tomatoes in the ketchup, that is 60% or higher. In addition, these products use organic ingredients which are not treated with harsh chemicals. 100 gram of this sauce would have 60 to 90 grams of tomato and rest would be jaggery and other organic ingredients. Brands like Nuapor and Khatmit feature in this category. Among them, Nuapor tomato ketchup has the highest, 90% tomatoes. These two brands rank best in the list of healthy tomato ketchups in India. If you have not tried these products, we recommend you to do the same. According to us, these are the best category of tomato ketchups that you can consider from a health consumer for better health, as they have the highest amount of tomatoes. If you are still not convinced with any of these products, you can make tomato ketchup at home with this easy recipe. To make tomato ketchup, we would need half kg ripe tomatoes, half tablespoon chili powder, garlic powder and onion powder, 2 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoon of jaggery, 1 cinnamon stick and 1 clove. Moving to the making, chop the tomatoes into medium-sized pieces. Add tomatoes to a saucepan, add dry spices. Cover with lid and cook on medium heat for 20 to 25 minutes. Once the tomatoes cool down, transfer to a blender. Blend this mixture until smooth. Once pureed, strain with a fine mesh sieve. Transfer the smooth puree into a saucepan. Add salt, garlic powder, chili powder and onion powder. Then add vinegar and brown sugar. Mix well and cook on medium flame for another 10 minutes. Once cooked, the ketchup should be smooth, thick and spreadable. There's your healthy tomato ketchup to enjoy with your favorite snacks. This healthy preservative-free ketchup can be stored for up to 3 weeks in the fridge. Your healthy and delicious tomato ketchup is ready to be served. Hope this was helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Do let us know about the next video you would want to see.